That's Leo.
Everyone watches him.
I'll save this. We're following him.
Don't do anything stupid.
Operation Rich Kid.
Ben, don't.
He's going downtown.
Why?
Thank you, Thomas.
Tomorrow morning.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad. This is where he lives?
Oh, Ben.
What are you doing here?
We didn't mean to hurt you.
I'm sorry. You can't tell anyone.
We won't.
I promise. My parents are gone.
I'm sorry.
I didn't know.
You shouldn't have hidden this.
How did you know? I've known for years.
You are not alone.
I thought I was.
Not anymore.
This place needs help.
Then help. You don't have to.
We know.
What?
Everyone knowing.
You're not alone. Leo, can I talk to you?
Sure.
I was wrong about you.
Leo, I heard everything.
I'm ready.
Good. You don't have to hide anymore.
I know.
We're with you.
I have to tell you the truth. I never meant to hurt you.
Leo, I'm so sorry.
It's okay, Sophia.
Thank you.
Here, Leo, have a chip.
We're glad you're here.
Thanks, everyone. I really messed up.
I'm not leaving you.
Thank you.
Always. Here, Leo, let me help.
Thank you, Mr. Thomas.
Of course. Let's go. Students, we have an unexpected challenge.
But I know you can rise to it.
Leo, this key is yours.
For me? I can't believe it.
You've earned it.
That's it, team. Keep going.
Almost got it. Need a hand, Ben? Welcome, everyone. The reading area is ready.
And the furniture is repaired.
Come on in.
Wow, Silver Oak Academy, this is gonna be great.
It's beautiful.
Let's go.
Yeah.
And then he tripped. No way.
Classic.
Want some? Hey, Leo, got you an extra dessert. What? You're up to something.
Just take it, Leo.
Fine, you got me.
I believe in you, Leo.
Thanks, Sophia.
We could start with book clubs.
Good idea. Tutors, too.
And this, I'll sort the books.
Whoops, sorry. Let's get these.
It's okay, Ben.
Whoops. Whoa, rain. Let's go.
It's pouring! Wait up!
Whoa, rain got us good. Haha, no kidding.
Ben, your hair. You look like a wet dog.
Welcome to our restored library.
It's beautiful, Leo.
Where should we put the decorations?
I have the book treats.
And then the dragon flew.
Wow.
We did it. Thank you, all of you. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye, Leo. Take care, dear. See you soon.
You too. Welcome to the library.
It's beautiful, Leo.
Yeah, but I'm so tired. Let's explore. Look, the mechanism has a hidden seam.
I'll shine the light there.
Mrs. Grace?
I can't believe it. You found it. Look, another document.
There's a date here.
What does it mean? Whoa, it's moving. Careful, Ben.
Wait, don't go in!
We found them, Mrs. Grace.
Thank you, Leo. You did it.
Welcome. This place has a story, and now you can be part of it. Important meeting. Clearly, none of you understand how difficult being a librarian is.
You've changed.
I had to.
Keep choosing what matters, Leo. This is yours.
Thank you.
I officially approve your very important piece of paper. Still proud? A little.
Just remember, your friends knew you before the certificate.
They never saw this part.
What part?
The part where everything finally became okay. This is where it belongs. I don't have to hide it anymore.
Long day?
A good one.
It's hard to leave.
That's how you know a place finally feels like home.
Race you tomorrow.
You're going to lose again.
Catch me! You're not getting away this time! I won.
You cheated.
Feels different now. Yeah, I finally feel free.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow. See ya! I used to hate this road.
Maybe it was never the road.
Home was never about how much I had. This is my home. And these are the people who made it feel that way.
Welcome, everyone. The reading area is ready.
And the furniture is repaired.
Come on in.